When you close it, everything gets erased. It doesn't save anything. So to install it, just go and click on start, look for settings, go to system and look for optional features. Go and look for more Windows features, just like this, and click on it. You will get this: turn Windows features on or off. Keep scrolling down until you will find it here, and its name is Windows Sandbox. Check the box, then click OK. Run, or just search for it and reach control. And the people who didn't find the same as me, reach control and press enter. You'll get this page, control panel. Click on programs, turn Windows features on and off, and do as the last. Get it like this. Click on it. Now it's starting. Wait a little bit till it starts fully. Read this message. Are you sure you want to close Windows? I will close. All of its content will be discarded and permanently lost. So anything you do in this machine, anything you download, it will just get deleted.